how to send files and attachment on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send file and attachment on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply open or tap on any chat where you want to send a file to. And now here, once you are inside the chat, then what you can do is simply tap on the plus button which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on files. And now here, once you tap on it, it will be prompted or you will be prompted to the files manager section. Now from here, you can simply select the photo, videos, or any documents that you want to send. And after that, once you have selected it, it will be sent directly to the person. And that's it. That's how you can send file or attachment on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.